back with another video. I called myself trying to get the TA out, starting it and stuff. So I starts it, go to the gas station. You see I'm at the gas station. And guess what? I cut it off. Guess what it didn't do? Start back up. Man, I'm mad as hell. So now I gotta wait for my brother to come, give me a jump. Something told me I should have left the jump pack in the car. Didn't do that. All I want to do is go back home. I just got off work. I was just trying to, start it. It ain't been started in a while. I don't think I started this car in like 2 months. Like, ain't been started. I had to start this car. And, yeah. But it's a little sneak peek up. It's dirty as all get out though. It's dusty. It been in the garage all this time, so it's kind of dusty. But y'all see it. Y'all see it. It's crazy, man. Crazy. Y'all see, man. My boy Stunner Reese, G, he was just talking about being stranded in the car. Brother was just talking about it. Look what happened. I'm stuck up here. And now I want to rain. And this car and rain don't really mix. So I'm finna have to baby the car home. Because this time and rain don't mix. One raining, now it start raining. Y'all see. I mean, I could pop the hood for y'all, let y'all see. Ain't nothing done to it. Nothing really. It's basically stopped. Basically stopped. 5.7 LS1. Basically stopped though. 19-inch TSWs. 19 by 9.5 in the front. 19 by 10.5 in the back. 275 30 19 in the front. 305 30 19 in the back. See. Y'all see. I don't even know where this came from. I love this car though. This is my favorite car of all the cars I have. It's always been a dream car of mine. I've wanted this car since I was a kid. So I went and got one. So, yep, I'm just gonna be up here waiting. He don't stay that far. I'll just be waiting for him. Waiting for him to get here. Y'all can see. I'm out here looking rough too. Like I look rough. Definitely look rough. I think I hear him. I don't know. I think I hear him. There's some music coming. That truck loud as hell he is. Yeah, man. Tired as hell. Oh, let's see. Let's see if I see him. Let's see if I see him. It's raining too. It's like really raining. My car never seen rain for real. Never seen rain. So, we gonna see, man. Oh yeah, man. Just waiting on bro to pull up. Camera looking a little foggy or something. I don't know what's going on with it. Alright, there you go. Now, there you go. It was a little foggy fingerprints or something. But, yeah, man. Just got off the phone with him. I told y'all. I said I heard him. I'm like, I knew I heard him. He going the wrong way. He go to Marathon that's down the street. I told him I'm at Mobile, not Marathon. Mobile. I can't put Marathon gas in my baby. I'm glad I almost went to the Speedway over there. Out there. Put some 99 in this man. Definitely could have put some 99 in it. But I'll take the 93. Definitely will take my little 93. Call it a day. Waiting on bro. Y'all gonna see who it is. Y'all probably tired of seeing my ugly butt, boy. So let me show you back to Bay. You know, she pretty too, ain't she? Like, you know, like clean interior, clean. It's dirty in there, like I got clothes and shit in there. Yeah, that's a big ass 10-inch. Yeah, I got a little something, a little music in here, a little something, not too much. Stop, goddamn. So look who came to save you, boy, man. Came to save me, man. Saved me. Brother came to save me, man. He came to save me, man. Came to save a brother. Came to save me, man. No other than DB, you know. Let's hope these cables work. Kane, give me a jump. It ain't looking like it's working right now, though, man. I don't know what's going on, y'all. Not looking like it's working. Hey, that G20 van cold. I like that. I like that. That got potential, boy. Had some windows and one raker man like. Yeah, man. We just tried to do it that time. It didn't start, man. I need to go buy a new battery. Definitely finna go do that ASAP. Let's see. Let's see if it start this time, man. Let's see. Nah, man. That motherfucker still ain't starting, man. It's almost there, though. It's almost there. It ain't quite there. It's almost there. What's going on? Yeah, it's almost there, y'all. Goddamn piece of shit. Pissing me off. I honestly don't even think I need a new battery because this battery that's in here, low key, is new. It's just been sitting for like 2 months, y'all. I haven't drove it. He's talking about
with a twin turbo, supercharged, double pulley, 6 carburetor.
What the hell wrong with
double
this
pump.
Man? Talking about double pump, 6 carburetor. What the hell going on around here, man? Talking about double pump, 6 carburetors. Hey man, I'm gonna give y'all a sound bite eventually.
It's quite a little thing.
For these little ass tweeters he got in here, you know. It ain't nothing really in here but some tweeters. Trust me, just some tweeters. You know, just some tweeters.
Four tweeters back there.
You know, got a little tweeter, little teeter-totter in back here, you know. Hey, man. We just talking shit, but, yeah. Oh, this joint play. But, yeah, man. Hopefully we get this thing together, man.
It'll be done next year all the way.
Me and bro, hey, bro talking about he doing 26s on the off-road. My Tahoe ain't gonna be on 6s. It's gonna be, I don't think I'm gonna do 6s on the Tahoe. I seen something. I seen something. This is why I don't want to do a 6 on mine. I seen 28s and 40s on the Jeep. I need it. I need it. I need all in on it. It lives. It's alive. It's alive. I'm back. Finally got the TA back at the crib. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go get me a battery. You know, throw that battery in there because I can't mess with that. I can't go. I can't go at gunpoint, y'all. I can't do it. But definitely finna go get this battery. Definitely gonna put it up in here. I don't know, I got so much to do today. I'll probably end up going another day, but yeah. TA back in the garage. Right along with, you know, the big brother in there too. Watching my video, just remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so every time I drop a video, you know. And stay safe, man. If you're in the Chicago area, they talking about they shutting down the city, so you know, stay safe, be in the crib. I ain't.